When it comes to technological advancements in the automotive industry, I would say the Volkswagen company, or the brand that owns BMW, Audi, Lamborghini, Seat, Skoda, and the rest, it has chosen to invest a lot of their resources into enhancing technological advancements in their cars. They have chosen to actually look ahead of the current year. So far now they're running Project 2035 in the year 2024. Current cars that are now being produced, I would say they're coming with a lot of implementation of artificial intelligence systems. An example would be AI-driven status updates, traffic control, over-the-air updates that the car is able to pick up. Beyond Google now, it's able to pick up actual details of traffic ahead of you or behind you, destination where you're going, and everything else. We also have, in the internal controls of the car is able to tell how best of a fuel consumption is supposed to deliver in how you're driving. The car itself knows that for the amount of fuel you have and the distance on your navigation that you've requested for, or that you've shown that you're heading to, this is the consumption that I have to deliver for you. So even when you step, it keeps playing within it because it's using artificial intelligence a lot within it. We also have a lot of implementation of voice control. As a user, you're able to speak. You simply give your commands, say increase volume for the radio, and voila, the volume increases. You say change the ambience or the ambient lighting within the car just by your voice. Call so and so. It sounds, yes, some of them are fairly old, but yes, it's application of artificial intelligence. Now, if you also look at driver assistance systems or advanced driver assistance systems, we're looking at adaptive cruise control with lane change assist. Or we can even look at adaptive cruise control with start-stop system, where the car you're driving drives at the speed of the car in front of it. Now, when that car drives and reaches the traffic light and stops, the car comes and stops as well, and the engine goes off. And the moment that car in front of you starts moving, the engine fires and the car follows. We also have lane keeping assist. Your car will maintain its lane, whether it's a turn or it's a slope or whichever way. The car is now able to, the VW cars are now able to keep to a lane. So even if you're, say, dozing, yes, it will be able to help you handle that. The other aspect also of technological advancement that VW has put in is something to do with improved aerodynamics and design. If you're to pay attention and look at the design of VWs that are coming out currently, you see a Golf 5, 6, and look at a Golf 7, 8. The only thing that makes them a Golf is because they gave them the name Golf. But the shape, except for the fact that they look small, the shape looks different. It's because they are trying to make sure that their cars are aerodynamically sound. This comes down to even the choice of thickness of paint. If you look at the paint that is being applied on these cars nowadays, it's different from the paint that used to be applied on cars those days. All this comes to add up into the aerodynamic performance, but also weight of the cars, so that you're able to get better consumption. The other one is advanced or enhanced infotainment system. Now, we are having cars that have a full HD touchscreen right from the dashboard or the instrument cluster, and it goes down all the way through the radio, including the AC vents. AC vents are motorized, so you're literally in front of a digital cockpit. Everything is, you zoom, and everything is basically for zooming and changing buttons here and there, and basically a touch screen. We also have a head-up display. It's fairly a bit of old technology, but now it is adaptive head-up display. where your speedometer, fuel gauge, and consumption, it's shown right in your windscreen. Yes, you may see as if it's on the windscreen, but it's not on the windscreen. It's a bit far off. Looks like it's out of the car. So when it comes to technological advancements, I would say VW has chosen to invest heavily into that. We have seen VW invest money in a lot of sustainability technology. This, of course, cuts across into the plug-in hybrids, or even the full electric cars. Now, these come along with the need for regenerative braking. That technology is quite improved now, as we speak. We also get ourselves into energy recovery systems. Of course, now that is regenerative braking, and then all the other additional features that come along with it. Additionally, we are looking at safety enhancements. It comes with pedestrian protection. Now, pedestrian protection, basically, it's the car being able to know or tell that there's someone who is out there and is at risk of either being knocked, or so the car is able to by itself reduce speed or control impact, or even swerve, so that it's able to at least try to protect. But also even the design of the body of the cars. The Touareg, for example, there is a crash zone which allows the bonnet to lift in the event of an impact. It helps to reduce that energy that goes to that person, or that whatever component that has been knocked on the external that the car's knocked.